Delivered directly from the factory with an A-frame truck equipped with a heavy-duty crane. We professionally offload and set the modules in place to ensure a perfect fit. This type of service is exclusive to Medler Toledo and is completed in a single day. Your truck scale is one of the most important investments at your facility. Regardless of how you use it, your truck scale should be accurate and reliable while providing you the lowest total cost of ownership. That is why Medler Toledo truck scales from Atlantic Scale Company are designed to protect you from unforeseen problems and disruptive downtime, resulting in costly and unplanned expenses. Medler Toledo PDX load cells are 100% stainless steel. These load cells have been hermetically sealed, making them completely waterproof. All of this coming with a 10-year, fully comprehensive warranty that is unmatched in the industry. Atlantic Scale Company technicians are factory trained to meet the industry's rigorous technical requirements. Contact Atlantic Scale Company today and see how we can assist you with your truck scale application.